Hey y'all, it's your girl Skyla, and we are back with another video, and this is the Freddy Cougar cup. So I posted the top a couple of days ago, and now I'm showing you how I actually made the tumbler come to life. I'm using my handheld massager to make sure I get every nook and cranny of glitter into the tumbler. Now that I have a little bit of glitter in the tumbler, I'm going to add more of my solution. Now, my friend wanted a flow, so the solution that I used was 2-ounce vegetable glycerin, 2 ounces of clear glue, Elmer's clear glue, and 4 ounces of distilled water. So 2 ounces of clear glue and vegetable glycerin and 4 ounces of water. What I'm doing right here is working the glitter into the solution, and y'all see I'm pouring the rest of the glitter that I have in my little cup, my little shot glass, because that's what it is. And I'm massaging that into the cup as well with my little handheld massager, and then I'm going to repeat the process all over again. Basically, I want to work the glitter in to shorten my degassing time. So after I wipe it off and fill it up, not halfway but a little bit of the way, I take a Gorilla Glue dot and temporarily seal the cup and work the glitter in with the solution that I already have. I don't want no glitter stuck to the rim of the cup, which is at the tippity top of the cup. You don't want glitter sitting there. You want to work that glitter and the solution together, so this way you can see if you have a leak, because sometimes leaks pop up after you fill up the cup and stuff because of the gas and everything else, all of that type of stuff. So you want to make sure that you mix the solution well, and at this point you can see if you need to add more glitter or just continue to fill up the cup. Me personally, you can never have enough glitter, so I ended up opening up, taking the Gorilla Glue dot off of the tumbler, and I think I added more glitter to it. So I didn't feel like I had enough glitter, so I am taking my 3 chunky glitters that I used to make this tumbler, which was a chunky red, a chunky holographic red, a holographic green, and I think a holographic black, if I'm not mistaken. And I poured it in my little shot glass, and now I'm massaging it in with my handheld gun all over again. here we are a couple of days later, hence to the nail color change. But here we are a couple of days later. I had on the same t-shirt because it had glitter everywhere. I let my tumbler degas for a couple of days, basically letting all of the air bubbles float to the top, and I pop as many as I can. I leave a little air bubble inside of my cup so the glitter can flow and everything else like that. There's absolutely no way for me not to leave an air bubble and not to fill the cup up all the way. So right here, I'm shaking the glitter, shaking the cup, twisting it in my hands, twirling it around, and letting the glitter flow and everything. I sealed it with some UV resin, and I'm just seeing how everything actually looks with the tumbler and making sure that everything is good. It's design time. So here I am going to design the cup with the Freddy Krueger. This was my first time actually laying vinyl in layers, and I think I did a pretty good job. I do have to figure out, like, if I was to get an air bubble, how to get that out. But besides that, I think I did a pretty good job for this to be my actual first time layering vinyl in multiple layers and stuff like that. I think I need to peel the transfer tape off a little bit slower and everything else like that, and not just peel it up the way that I did. That's probably what caused me to have air bubbles. But I did run into a problem with this cup after I sealed it, designed it, and everything else. I did run into a problem. I had a leak, and the way how I fix my leaks after I do all of my designing and everything to it, at the rim of the cup, which is basically the top of the cup, I take a small batch of epoxy, part A and part B, mix it together, let it get a little thick, and then I rub epoxy along the rim of the tumbler. And once I let that cure overnight, the tumbler was done. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you enjoy this content, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!
The best advice anyone ever gave me was 2 words. You can't. And you know what my response was? 2 words. Watch me.